beauties, today we're gonna create a romantic braid that you can recreate yourself, and of course it will be a perfect hairstyle for a wedding or prom or any other special occasion. Firstly, we want to decide our parting. I'll make a middle one, and then you want to tease a little bit the crown section like I'm showing, but make sure to smooth out the top section so everything looks nice and smooth, and don't try to tease it too much, just a little bit, it's okay. Before starting our braid, I'll recommend you to use some smoothing product, a cream or a oil to smooth down your hair, especially if you have frizzy hair like I do. Then we want to select our front side section. Take a small tiny section, divide it into two, and twist them away from your face around each other. Now, as you're going down, you add more hair to the front section and twist them away from your face around each other. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until you run out of hair from the front section. Then you want to simply twist the strands around each other by twisting each one way and then around each other opposite way. So you want to continue these steps until reaching basically the half of your braid, and don't forget to pull it a little bit to make it beautiful looking from all the angles. Make sure to pin in place this braid for later, and then repeat this braid on opposite side as well. So select your front hair, grab a small tiny piece from the front, divide it into two, and crisscross them. As you twist them, make sure to add more hair from the front to the front section. So you want to continue until you have no more hair to add, finishing with a simple row braid. Now you want to grab these two braids together in the back and tie it with a clear elastic, and make sure to pull it apart to make it beautiful looking, okay? Now you want to grab a small section from one side and then grabbing another small section from opposite side of your rope braid, bring them both together and tie it with a clear elastic, topsy tail it, and then pull it to make it full and voluminous. Now you want to select from opposite side a section of hair, and from the middle another one, tie them both together again and topsy tail it and pull it. Guys, here as you can see, I am making sure to bring this topsy tail to one side, and next time I'm making my topsy tail on opposite side to create this effortless looking braid. As you are selecting your hair, make sure to brush it so it will be nice and smooth, and then you want to tie them both together and topsy tail it and pull it. This looks so beautiful on one side to bring it to one shoulder. You can leave it in the back. You can topsy tail it till reaching the ends or you can leave the ends out here. It's totally up to you how you like it, more effortless or classy. Also, I decided to add some accessory to it to make it more nice looking, but make sure to arrange it well from the first time so you'll not ruin your hairstyle. Also, guys, when I are twisting, I'm showing here how to twist correctly your bangs or your front sections. Don't try to curl your hair higher than your eye level, okay? So this way it will look nice and professional. Here you can leave it like that, but here I decided to take a step further to topsy tail again and to hide the ends by looping it and pulling it. I hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Guys, don't forget to tell me in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like to see more on Awesome Hairstyles channel. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!